last few videos have been absolutely lit. The clear tails, we put the headers back on the BRZ, so this car sounds and looks completely different. Anyways, we are heading out to a little meeting for SEMA. I've been talking about it a lot, especially in the recent videos. You know, SEMA's coming up in a few months, so we pretty much just been getting everything ready for this car, the FRS, the OG FRS. So much planning to do for SEMA regarding that car. So we're actually heading to a little meeting right now over at Garage Collective. We're gonna talk some more SEMA stuff as far as air suspension for the FRS. So let's go ahead and head to this meeting. Guys, we haven't done this in a while. We got a tunnel. Now that we got the headers installed, this is a must. Guys, guess what? Over here at RTA, guys, we got the STI back in our hands. If you guys remember last video, one of the last videos I was talking about, this car was just dying and having this big electrical issue. And I took it to Rudy because I was like, yo, I don't know what it could be. And the moment I took it, he was like, dude, I know exactly what it is. I'll go and show you guys. It's such a simple mistake, really. He helped me diagnose it, and huge shout out to Rudy, to be honest. Rudy, RTA, is the guy I take all the cars to get my alignments for. He does everything, part installs, you name it. So if you guys need any work with cars, come through to RTA. But anyways, the issue was this right here. It's funny because I posted it on my Instagram, but it turned out to be this fuse right here, which is the main fuse. This thing was pretty much cracked in half, so sometimes the car would run fine, sometimes it wouldn't, sometimes it just shut off because that fuse was cracked. So I guess when it was all in contact, the car was running fine, but once these things separate, those little, I don't know, like the metal inside of it for the fuse, the car would run bad and sometimes not even start. So that's all it was just a $30 main fuse. This was the broken one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but literally split in half. Rudy got an STI too. He just picked this up and he's done like suspension, exhaust, and everything on it. What wheels are you gonna get?
Sure, yeah.
You don't know yet?
Not sure.
Damn, you do 3-piece or like 1-piece?
Probably gonna go 1-piece.
1-piece?
Yeah.
Like a track setup or just?
Yeah.
That'll be sick. That's what I'm low-key trying to do with mine. Like a track sense again, coils. He always has some sick cars here. Got a couple Z's. He has a Z himself, so he's big on these cars. Got another one over here. Meisters. Oh, I forgot, dude. This is the guy that bought my Meisters. I just noticed that right now. Yeah, dude, literally these are the Meisters on my car. Dude, I just freaking realized right now.
I mean, obviously.
What in the world?
No.
That's crazy, bruh.
Yours were squared though.
Yeah, these are squared.
Not squared.
Bro, these are the same exact wheels, dude.
Bro, there's no fucking.
Dude,
what?
Same white sticker and everything. Yeah, these are literally my wheels.
Yeah, these are your wheels.
Dude, that's crazy. All right, let's start her up. Imagine, doesn't start up. Damn, like nothing. That's crazy. Once again, shout out Rudy, bro. If you guys need alignments, work done in your car, he does every single thing you can think of. It's only been a few days and I missed it. Bro, I'm still tripping. Still tripping that these are my same exact wheels. Like, what? Bro, the clear tails look so good. Oh my god. What in the world? Yeah, we got the headers back on the BRZ. Tuned and everything from Graham from Boosted Performance. Got a little bit of pops in there as well. Way that car is that loud. Dude, that's crazy. That sounds freaking amazing though, dude. Not gonna lie. It's loud, but that sounds so good. Jeez. Bro, this car is such a vibe though, bro. The clear tails. I'm gonna need your guys' help, to be honest. I don't even know where to start. So, I've had a set of wheels in the garage and I've kind of sneak peeked it here and there with other videos. I've had these in the garage, you know, giving you guys sneak peeks saying that here are the new wheels for the STI once we get that car situated with like the electrical stuff. Now that it's all situated, you know, we got the car back home. As you guys can see, it was just a fuse, but it's time to put some new wheels on that thing. But I came across a super good deal on another set of wheels and I could not pass it up. So I'm gonna need you guys' help. I have 2 sets of wheels for the STI currently and I don't know which one to put on. So I think I'm gonna have you guys pick for me because I don't know. I don't know which ones to put on the car, to be honest. So I'm gonna make this video for you guys because you guys are gonna pick what wheels go on the STI. And whatever votes get the most down in the comment section below, that'll just be it, I guess. But here it is. Here's the first wheel choice. We got some 18 by 10.5 plus 22 Volk TE37s. I've mentioned it a lot in my previous videos saying I want to get some TEs for the STI. And here they are. If you guys aren't following me yet on Instagram, you guys are missing a lot. But anyways, you guys saw that I linked up with Fresh Kicks a couple weeks ago. And yeah, these are actually Fresh Kicks old TEs. I believe they're the ones that he was gonna put on his G35. So yeah, he sold them to me and now we got Fresh Kicks TEs. Same specs as the Workmeisters that I had on the car before, but these are TEs and they're able to fit big brakes. So we won't have to run a spacer. Currently have 2 75/35s on it, I believe. So yeah, it's a nice meaty setup. What you guys think? So this is the first set and I'm going to show you guys the second set right here. As you can see, has the Work Wheels logo. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and I'll show you guys the second choice. This was not the plan all along, but I got such a good deal on these. I couldn't pass up the offer. I haven't even seen them yet, so this is kind of like a first reaction. Of course, some white wheels. Some Work ZR10s. 18 by 9.5 plus 22. Yeah guys, this is the second wheel choice. These are an inch narrower than the TEs, so these are much more aggressive. Super hard choice, guys. I'm literally stuck 50-50 on what wheel setup to run. We did run already like a gunmetal color with the Meisters, so that's why I'm kind of leaning towards the ZR10s. I don't know, man. It is such a hard choice, guys. What wheel should we run? Packages are ready to ship. You guys are seriously awesome. You guys are freaking awesome. Another successful drop in the books. You guys showed so much love and support. I just want to say thank you so much. All your orders are finally on the way. Took a little bit longer than usual. I was out of town for a little bit, so I tried to get all them done ASAP once I got back home. As always, every single drop, I'm always telling you guys, thank you so much. Without you guys, this would not be possible. Let's go and head home. Like you guys saw earlier, we got a little surprise for the STI. I was gonna leave the video off like that, but I kind of want to test fit it on the STI just to kind of see what it looks like. So we're gonna be able to see it on the car. Then we can make a better decision from there. Alright guys, I just put on the driver's side white ZR10s just to kind of get a feel of what it's gonna look like. So this is not actually how I'm gonna run the car, so I still have a ton of negative camber which I have to take off. I'm probably gonna do that once we throw the coilovers back on, so regardless it still looks pretty sick. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below of the white wheels. Like I said, these are a 255/35 on a 18 by 9.5 plus 22. Looks sick, but let's see what the TEs look like. Honestly, I think these are gonna look better. Yo, these look amazing. Even with all the camber and the meaty tire, look how sick these look. So these are 18 by 10.5 plus 22, so an inch wider than the ZR10s. What do you guys think of the TE37s on the STI? Let me know what you guys think of these ones down in the comment section below. Such a hard freaking choice. This one I feel like definitely matches with all the carbon. The only thing white on the car to match with the wheels really is the front brace from Lower Class Garage. Also there's the white calipers, and then the taillights, the white LEDs with the white emblem. Other than that, there's not much white on the car, but dude, I don't know guys, it's such a hard choice. These definitely fit that like aggressive track stance tire. Can't go wrong with TEs really, but the thing is they're on so many STIs. TEs are just everywhere, especially on STIs, so that's the only thing really that's keeping me back from running these. I don't know, I'm gonna need you guys' help. So good, especially with all the camber. The fitment is insane. Yeah, I'm gonna need you guys' help. I honestly feel like I know what you guys are gonna say. Your honest opinion, your honest wheel choice down in the comments below. Fast forward a couple hours, we are actually at the car wash with Jason. But I just wanted to close off this video real quick and talk to you guys a little about something. Recently I've been thinking about it because I don't know, it's just something that I've been wanting to dive into. Been really thinking about getting like a truck just with a clean setup, you know, like with the capabilities of like towing. Not that being like my main priority in getting a truck, but like just to have, you know, like say if we needed to tow the car to like a show or something. But I don't know, I've been really wanting like a truck, like just to have as a daily driver, just to throw stuff in the back, because I don't know, with like the Subarus, like I can fit stuff in the STI, but it's kind of jam-packed. And I don't know, I've been really wanting to like go to more shows, you know, do more like, you know, merch setups with like a booth and all that, and just like trying to fit all that in like a BRZ or an STI is not really like practical, I guess that's the word. But yeah, that's just like one other like random reason why having a truck would be helpful. But I don't know if it'd be anytime soon, to be honest, but I'm like, dude, I feel like a truck would be pretty sick. I really like the Silverado body styles. Now I wish I knew a lot about trucks, like diesel, all the different like 1500, 2500, all the different models and stuff. That stuff I need to be more informed on. Silverados I think are a vibe, and it's definitely, I feel like, a truck that I would get, a Silverado. I also want another Mustang, so it's like, dude, I don't know, like I gotta start getting rid of some of the cars in order to make those happen. So these are just like ideas. I'm just like spitting all my ideas and goals out, but I've been thinking about it recently. Like this past week, I'm like, dude, the truck would be pretty sick, like a nice big Silverado. But anyways, I'm just speaking up on my mind. But yeah, with that being said, that's gonna do it for today's video. Stay tuned for more STI content, and I think this upcoming week we're gonna start working on the air suspension for the FRS for SEMA. So we got some things coming. We got some things coming for the STI, the FRS. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.